SBET stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Sharplink Gaming stock a buy? I'll be breaking all this down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only person in the stock trading space with a 44,000 video track record and 5 years of experience every single day documentation with SBET. I mean, it's taken me 5 years, you know what I mean? It's not get rich overnight thing. And for this thing right now, it's just melting. Like I mentioned in my Discord, I mean, I had a lot of receipts with SBET and I left 29 to 38, 29, 28 results in the disc talk about this. But unless I see a proper bullish candle close above like 28.50 or some greenery even, then I'm not going to look to buy. What gave it away? Just this break beneath 23.27. And now it's looking very patchy and rough. You know, I'm not going to assume stuff. I'll mainly just wait for rules to be met. And if rules are not met, then I don't care. Right? And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.